guys, this is Anuprasanna. Welcome to my channel once again, and I hope you all are doing wonderful. And today's video is about one of the oldest buffet restaurant, that is Barbecue Nation in Kalyan Metro Mall. So this is the Kalyan Metro Mall, and we are going to visit it soon. So let's have a look. So today is Monday, and the cost over here, inclusive of taxes, is rupees 680. And now we will be entering Barbecue Nation, and we will have some kind of temperature check and hand sanitization before entering the Barbecue Nation. So this barbecue is famous for non-veg buffet with lots of varieties, especially in Mumbai. Whenever you think of eating the buffet, the first restaurant which comes in your mind is always Barbecue Nation. They have lot of outlets in Mumbai as well as across India. I had my first barbecue visit 6 years back, and actually, that was my first buffet experience ever, which was awesome. It was not in Kalyan, of course, but somewhere else in Navi Mumbai. And today, especially, I am here at Kalyan for shooting this video, and this may be my 17th or 18th visit to Barbecue Nation. So, over here, if you see, the table is being sanitized, the seat is being sanitized before we have a seat at the table. So they do the entire sanitization properly. So this is where they place the grill and even place the barbecue starters, and even you can have your own time over here by letting the food on the table as it is, as it really stays warm. So whenever you think of Barbecue Nation, the only thing that comes in your mind is starters. So let us start with the veg starters. The first one which we see here is Cajun spice potato. So these potatoes have their skin intact, and they are actually topped with lots of cream, mixture of cheese and mayo, which is their signature dish. This is one of the best veg starter in Barbecue Nation, which you should never miss. And the texture is really crunchy. Wow. They have total 6 veg starters and 6 non-veg, I believe, and this is the veg tikki. Here comes some more starters. So starting with the chicken crispy. This is the starter which they normally do not have, but today it's there, so we are lucky. This seems a little bit like the chicken popcorn of KFC. A lot of masala being sprinkled on it. And here comes crispy corns. This is also one of their famous veg starter, and it has a lot of onions. It is sweet and crunchy, and all the flavors are mixed properly. And the good thing about this dish in Barbecue Nation is they do not add more of masalas and the spices, so that we can actually taste the sweetness of the corn, which really makes it more yummy. This one here is one of the non-veg starter, that is mutton kebab, which is okay, not that good. And here comes chicken tangdi, which is really tender, grilled perfectly, edges are crispy, very tasty. And some more veg barbecue starters. So it is really tasty. The chicken tangdi is one of the good non-veg starter in Barbecue Nation, and I think the taste is still maintained for the chicken tangdi if I compare it with the other dishes. So here comes some more non-veg and mix of veg barbecue starters, and this is how you use this instrument to if you want to eat the barbecue starters, you have to use this the way we are using it right now, and only then you can enjoy it perfectly. So this one is the fish tikka, and almost all the non-veg preparations such as fish tikka, prawns tikka are almost they have the same preparations. This is the paneer tikka. Paneer is soft and tasting better this time, and this is the prawns tikka. So the one which you can see, these are my favorite starter when I come to Barbecue Nation, but this time it was little bit raw and uncooked, so I really did not enjoy that much. These are the chicken kebabs. So whenever you come to barbecue, everyone of course enjoys only the starters, and we actually fool ourselves only with the starters. Especially it is famous for prawns, chicken tikka, chicken tangdi, especially chicken crispy, and some of their veg signature dishes. So we are done with the starters, and now we are moving towards the main course section. So this is their over here you can see their kitchen. You can see the main course, where the main course is being placed. So we will have a look at all the veg non-veg main courses. So just to give my review over here overall the starters this time, first time it was okay. I did not enjoy that much because barbecue was one of my favorite, but now I keep on visiting different buffet restaurants, so I feel that there are a lot of different good restaurants if I compare it with barbecue and its price. And it is really costly now. If you go on the other days, maybe Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, and the weekend special, it is around 1000 rupees. And in the same price, if you go to some other restaurants, you will get good buffet in 600, 700 rupees. So even, if you want to try barbecue nation, do try some other uh, uh, branches, such as you can try the Belapur one, which is one of the best taste I ever had. So now let us have a look at the desserts as well as the main courses, so you can understand what all things and how many different varieties we have in the desserts and main course. Especially in barbecue nation, once we complete with the starters, we never try main course, we directly go for the desserts. But this time let us try some of the main courses, and then we will enjoy the different varieties of desserts which you can see here. They are being serving the same quality from actually long years. And and I'm really shocked this time that it is not that great. It is not bad, of course, but obviously not that great for the quality which the barbecue actually provides. But it's okay, maybe the day is not good on which I visited, it's okay. But maybe whenever you come, the taste may be good, so you can actually go for the other branches, as I said. And one thing which you cannot compare with anyone is the service the barbecue nation provides. It is the excellent service. You don't need to keep waiting for them. They will just be ready with all the starters, continuously asking you for the starters. And if you do not like the taste of any food, just tell them and they will be really happy to serve you with a better taste, so you do not need to worry upon if the taste is not good. I mentioned, normally whenever you come to Barbecue Nation, people just try the starters and then they go for the desserts. But this time, but I normally do try main courses, at least one or two, a little bit, 1 or 2 spoons, not more. The same thing I will be trying today, and the dishes which I will be trying, the same dishes I would recommend you all to try. But let me taste it first and then let you know how it is. Barbecue normally has a good variety of desserts and even good taste. So I normally do not taste all the desserts because I have tried it many times. So I do not like everything. And gulab jamun and the halwa is something which is the common desserts which you can normally eat any time. So I just tried their firni, which is the best because I have tasted the firni in different restaurants, and the quality which barbecue offers, you will not get that taste of firni anywhere. So never miss firni when you come to barbecue. You just eat one and you will go on eating it. It's so tasty, as well as the other desserts you can surely try. So now I have some of the main courses on the table, starting with the chicken manchow soup. There is no much pieces of chicken in it, and it is also okay. This is the Goan egg masala. It is very nice comparatively. I like this egg masala today. And this is a Chinese fish starter which is very good. So in all this time the main course is really good if I compare it with the starters. And this is the Hakka noodles, which is as usual bland, not that good. And this is the mutton curry. All the curries are okay. You also have the option of the naan, roti, butter naan, whatever you want. So in barbecue, you don't need to actually fear about the options. There are a lot of options. You just need to come and eat as much as you want. And now we are going to take some of the desserts over here. Some of the chocolate pastries. I think there was one dessert which is being replaced by the chocolate, if you can see. And as I said, this is the kesar firni, which is the best dessert which you should never miss when you come over here, because you will not realize it right now, but whenever you actually try others firni, you will realize what quality barbecue is offering. And of course their kulfi, malai kulfi specially, is the best, topped with some chocos and the chocolate syrup, is the best kulfi. So now it's the bill time, and you can see the amount, which is 2726 rupees for 4 people, which is 680 rupees per person. Only on Mondays and Tuesdays. If you come on the other days, it will be costly. So today's experience of mine was good, not that great. But of course, if you never visited this, do try once. Other branch. Do click on like, guys, if you liked my video, as well as do share with your family and friends, and please click on the subscribe button which you can see on the screen. Do check the other videos which will give you best options of buffet restaurants as well as a la carte. Thank you for watching, guys.